Welcome to day 9 of our 50 squats in 10-day challenge. Today, I'm going to bump it up a little bit. Instead of having my Campbell soup cans for doing arm exercises, I'm bumping it up to buy bottles. And you can also use water bottles. I don't have water bottles, but I do have buy bottles, and they're a little bit heavier than the soup cans. And today I am going to do biceps and the tricep kickbacks.
Are you doing biceps because of the bi?
Yeah. I hadn't thought of that, but sure.
For those people who don't know what bi is, can you hold up so I can see the label?
It's an electrolyte drink.
Okay.
All right. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Okay, quick break. Whew. And next, I'm going to do tricep kickbacks for the next 25. Ready? And 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Today, there is a sale on the Life Pro vibration plates on Amazon. That's what I'm standing on. And it really adds a little bit to be able to exercise while being on a vibration plate. And they're really helpful if you have lipedema or lymphedema. And I have lipedema, which is a fatty tissue disease in my legs. So vibration plates are really good for that. They're really great at helping you to drain your lymphatic system. So anyway, they're wonderful. I really like mine. They don't sponsor me or anything. I just enjoy them. I do have an Amazon favorites site, though, of all the things that I like to use on my GLP-1 journey of my favorite things. And if you'd like to check it out, go to Amazon.com/shop/Anchor Moments, and you'll be able to find this vibration plate there and other things that are some of our favorite things, including the books that we have done for our weight loss book club. All right, everybody. I look forward to seeing you tomorrow, which will be day 10. Hold on to your anchor moments and make it a great day. Bye-bye.